What's up, guys? In this video, I want to talk about if you want to become better, you want to train more. Look, if you train like jiu-jitsu, if you just go to normal days to train, you jiu-jitsu will be normal. But if you want to become better, like the people you fight, like other partners of yours, you need to train more because they train more. Or you think they just train in normal days. No, they train when no one has seen them. Look, when no one is looking to you, it's the most important time to train. You need to train alone sometimes, not every time. And this is for everything. Sometimes you need to do your things alone, like writing, recording, training. You need to do that when no one is looking to you, because it's in that time you become better. It's that time you don't have ego, you don't have comparison. It's just you against you. Look, has a time when I am a white belt, today I am a purple belt, when I give the classes to other people. Yes, as a white belt I give classes and have days when no one shows to train. So it's just me at the academy, and you can think, oh, why not go to home if no one goes to train? Because I want to be better, and it's a good experience for you as for myself. Train alone. Make the exercises, make the drills alone, because I can put more effort in me. In the normal classes, we use a lot of the number 40, 50 repetitions, but when I'm alone, I push myself to do 200, 200 triangles, 200 escapes, and more. So in a normally we make 50. Alone I make 200, and that gives open my mind and show myself that I can be better. I can put more effort. I can grow more. I can become better. And back these days, back right now, I am a purple belt, and I want to become better. I want to get the level of a black belt, and I know for do that I need to train alone. I need to train when no one is looking to me, because in that time I put more effort. I push myself. I don't need anyone to push myself. I push myself. I am my own teacher. I am my own coach. Teacher no, but coach. I push myself. I motivate myself. I inspire myself to be better. I want to be better. And if you want to be better, sometimes you need to train alone and put more effort on that. Okay? You need to do more shadowing. And this is for everything. Like if you want to be a writer and become a good writer, you can go to creative classes about writing, okay, and writing with other people's surrounding you. But it's it's when you are at home in your room alone. That time you need to do more exercises to become a good writer. How to write better, more clear, more beautiful, sounds better. One advice to you is when you write your writing, first see if that sounds good, speaks loud, and you can see if so sounds naturally, organically. Don't be artificial. I know we live in the artificial time, but you don't need to be artificial. You are a human. You need to put your soul in the things you write, in the things you do. In that way, you will be authentic, original. Of course, no one can be original, but you can put you in your work. And when people see, the people will know this is him who made that. I can see the soul. He put soul in that work. So remember that. Training alone sometimes. You need to train alone sometimes. Because that will push to be better. You push yourself to be better. Okay? And like me, it's not a training, but I'm speaking in English alone. Just myself. No one begged me to do that. But I want to become fluent in English, so I need to do that. And I want to become better in Jiu-Jitsu. And I know I need to train more alone to become better. It's strange to say that, but sometimes you need to train alone to become better in some things. Thank you for watching.